In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all your connections on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in by first logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in and find yourself on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the page. Look for the My Network tab and go ahead and click on it. Here in the My Network section, you're going to see an overview of your connections. You'll be able to see the number of invitations you've sent out, the connections you've established, and how many people or companies you're currently following. Now, because we're just using a tutorial account for demonstration purposes, you won't see any of those numbers here, but in your personal account, you should have a detailed list. In this section, LinkedIn also offers suggestions under the People You May Know feature. This is based on your recent activity and interactions on the platform, which makes it a handy tool for expanding your professional network. If you're scanning through and don't see the person you have in mind, don't worry. You can easily use the search bar. Simply type in their name or any specific criteria you have into the search tool to find people you're looking for on LinkedIn. Once you've located the person you want to connect with, you'll notice the Connect button next to their name. Clicking on this will send them a connection request, allowing you to expand your network seamlessly. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on navigating through your connections on LinkedIn. I hope this helps you manage and build your professional network more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel for more insightful content, and make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified of our new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.